Welcome back to my channel. We are still in Kenya and my name is Jabwel. If you are new here, kindly click in that red subscribe button so that we can make this family a good one. That is if you enjoy the content I am making. And if you have any suggestion, kindly leave the comment in the comment section below so that we can know what you want us to do, improve or whatever. So today I'm with Chrissy, and this is actually where we slept yesterday. So I'm going to show you a house of African village boy, the one who is not married, how the house looks like, the way they decorate and everything. He's going to show us around his house. Actually, we are going to show you two houses. Yeah, so come with us. So generally these people, they use solar. So this is the switch here. Yeah. So this is the light here. And of course, actually, I forgot to tell you before, he is he's doing karate, kickboxing, and also he knows a lot of art. He made this art by himself, and this, that. So he did the drawings by himself. So this drawing is did by himself, and then you can see the decoration. So the roofing is made out of iron sheet, and of course this is curtain and so on. I don't want to show you the bedroom because I don't want to intrude into his privacy, but generally this is it. So let me show you again another room where we slept. So this house here is the house for Jaja, the Jaja you saw earlier on in the video. And then of course this is solar again, and the phone is here. In fact, it is even full, charge complete. So the phone is charging here. Of course, the same thing. These are the switches. This is for security light. So security light is here. I'm just from turning it on. Yeah, you switch it off. So that is security light. And then over here you can see the decoration. So this is it. You can remove, then you can see take it from. So you can see how the decoration is mainly decorated very well here. And then of course the student, like I told you, the boy is not yet married, so they are students. So they use this for learning. Of course, maybe he's a Man U fan. Perhaps he's a fan of Manchester United, maybe. So and of course here, the ground, they use cow dung for smearing it to make the house look nice. They use cow dung, even the wall no. The wall no. Okay, only down they use cow dung. And the same thing, I don't want to show you the bedroom, but of course there's a bed and a mattress. So generally, so in the compound there is also flower decoration, as you can see, so on. You know, they normally weed around, but since most of the time now they are in school, and school is so tight. That's why I think they have not yet done that. So guys, this is all about African village house for boys that are not yet married. That's how it looks like. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, please, I'm begging you kindly, that button, that one, the red one, just click and click in the notification so that anytime we have a new video, I trust me, you'll be the first person to watch it. Meanwhile, I'm planning to open up Patreon account. I'll let you guys know soon, because actually Jabwel is an independent organization, and we know we want to do travels around Africa to show you guys what happens there, and much more dedicated. But sometimes we may need your support in anything so that we can be able to travel around and show you more about what's happening. So I will soon get done with the Patreon account and let you guys do your best. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.